Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Delicious Kitchen. I'm Hiba, and today we're going to make apple butter. Just look at how delicious that looks, and it's really easy to make. So let's get into it. You're going to peel, slice and core 15 apples, which is about 1.5 kilograms of apples. I'm using a mix of Honeycrisp, Granny Smith and Gala. I really like the sweetness from both the Apple Crisp and the Gala, and I really like the tanginess that the Granny Smith adds, but of course you can use whatever apples that you prefer. Place your sliced apples in a large bowl, and to that you're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of regular white granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and I'm grating in 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I like to grate in the nutmeg myself because I feel like the flavor is just different. It's just more delicious to me. Here I'm adding in the zest of half an orange, and also you're going to see me squeeze in the juice of half an orange. This will add in a little bit of brightness to the apple butter. You can also use lemon instead of orange if that's what you have, or you can leave it out completely. Next I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. If you don't have cardamom, just use cloves instead. Then you're going to give everything a very good toss until all of your apples are very well coated with your sugar and your spices. Add your apple mixture to the insert of your slow cooker and cook it on low for 12 hours with the lid on. After 12 hours of cooking, your house is going to smell like Christmas. I uncovered it, I stirred it a little bit, and I let it cook for another 2 hours uncovered, this time on high, to reduce the liquid a little bit. After that, I went ahead and I brought in my immersion blender and I pureed the whole thing. And that's it, you're done. It's that easy and it's very delicious, and you don't really need to do a lot. The slow cooker does most of the work for you. You can eat it on top of pancakes, on waffles, on ice cream, on yogurt. It is amazing. And there will be a recipe using this to make some amazing apple butter muffins. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye.